In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up EMA on Webull. If you're new to the exponential moving average, think of it as a line that smooths out price action while giving more weight to recent data. That makes it a helpful tool for spotting trend direction and potential areas of dynamic support or resistance. Let's walk through the setup together so you can add it to your charts with confidence. First, open the chart for the stock, ETF, crypto, or other asset you want to analyze on Webull. Make sure you're looking at the symbol you care about, and pick a time frame that matches how you trade or invest, whether that's 1 minute, 1 hour, daily, or weekly. The EMA will update based on whatever time frame you select, so this choice matters. Next, find the Indicators menu. Depending on your device and layout, this might be labeled Indicators, shown as an FX icon, or accessed through a small gear icon near the chart. Tap or click that to open the indicator panel. If you're on desktop, it's typically along the top or side toolbar. On mobile, it's usually near the bottom or right side of the chart. Inside the Indicators list, scroll until you see EMA or Exponential Moving Average. Many platforms list it under Moving Averages, and some spell it out while others just say EMA. If there's a search bar, simply type EMA to jump straight to it. Be sure you select EMA, not SMA, because the EMA responds more quickly to price changes. Once you've selected EMA, you'll see a setting for period or length. This is where you choose how many candles the average is based on. Common choices are 9 for short-term momentum, 20 for a balanced look at the trend, and 50 for a wider, smoother view. Pick the one that fits your style and time frame. If you're day trading, shorter lengths pair well with shorter time frames. If you're swing trading or investing, longer lengths on higher time frames can filter out more noise. You can always come back and adjust these numbers as you test what works best for you. Finally, hit Apply or Done. The EMA will appear on your chart as a smooth line following price. If you don't see it right away, zoom out slightly or confirm it's turned on in your indicator list. As you watch price move relative to the EMA, you'll get a clearer sense of trend strength and potential pullback areas. That's all there is to it. Open your chart, access indicators, select EMA, set your period, and apply. You're ready to incorporate the EMA into your Webull analysis.